وَإِذَا بَدَّلْنَا آيَةً مَكَانَ آيَةٍ وَاللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِمَا يُنَزِّلُ قَالُوا إِنَّمَا أَنْتَ مُفْتَرٍ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
Whenever we replace one verse by another verse, and Allah knows what He should reveal, they are wont to say, "You are nothing but a fabricator who has invented the Quran." The fact is that most of them are ignorant of the truth.
قُلْ نَزَّلَهُ رُوحُ الْقُدُسِ مِنْ رَبِّكَ بِالْحَقِّ لِيُثَبِّتَ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَهُدًى وَبُشْرَى لِلْمُسْلِمِينَ.
Tell them, it is the Spirit of holiness that has brought it down by stages from your Lord, so that it might bring firmness to those who believe and guidance to the right way, and give glad tidings of felicity and success to those who submit to Allah.
وَلَقَدْ نَعْلَمُ أَنَّهُمْ يَقُولُونَ إِنَّمَا يُعَلِّمُهُ بَشَرٌ لِسَانُ الَّذِي يُلْحِدُونَ إِلَيْهِ أَعْجَمِيٌّ وَهَذَا لِسَانٌ عَرَبِيٌّ مُبِينٌ.
Surely we know well that they say about you, "It is only a human being who teaches him," notwithstanding that he whom they maliciously hint at is a foreign tongue, while this Quran is plain Arabic speech.
إِنَّ الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِآيَاتِ اللَّهِ لَا يَهْدِيهِمُ اللَّهُ وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ.
Surely Allah will not enable those who do not believe in the signs of Allah to be directed to the right way, and a painful chastisement awaits them.
إنما يفتري الكذب الذين لا يؤمنون بآيات الله وأولئك هم الكاذبون.
It is not the prophet who invents lies, it is rather those who do not believe in the signs of Allah who invent lies. They are liars.
من كفر بالله من بعد إيمانه إلا من أكره وقلبه مطمئن بالإيمان ولكن من شرح بالكفر صدرا فعليهم غضب من الله ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Except for those who were forced to engage in infidelity to Allah after believing, the while their hearts remain firmly convinced of their belief. The ones whose hearts willingly embraced disbelief shall incur Allah's wrath, and a mighty chastisement lies in store for them.
ذلك بأنه مستحب الحياة الدنيا على الآخرة وأن الله لا يهدي القوم الكافرين.
That is because they love the life of this world more than the hereafter, and Allah does not guide those who are ungrateful to Allah for His favors.
أولئك الذين طبع الله على قلوبهم وسمعهم وأبصارهم وأولئك هم الغافلون.
They are the ones upon whose hearts and hearing and eyes Allah has set a seal. They are utterly steeped in heedlessness.
لا جرم أنهم في الآخرة هم الخاسرون.
No doubt they shall be losers in the hereafter.
ثم إن ربك للذين هاجروا من بعد ما فتنوا ثم جاهدوا وصبروا إن ربك من بعدها لغفور رحيم.
And surely your Lord will be most forgiving and most merciful towards those who left their homes after they were persecuted and who thereafter struggled hard and remained constant.
يوم تأتي كل نفس تجادل عن نفسها وتوفى كل نفس ما عملت وهم لا يظلمون.
Allah's judgment will come about them all on the day when everyone shall come pleading in his defense, and everyone shall be fully requited for his deeds, and none shall be wronged in the least.
وضرب الله مثلا قرية كانت آمنة مطمئنة يأتيها رزقها رغدا من كل مكان فكفرت بأنعم الله فأذاقها الله لباس الجوع والخوف بما كانوا يصنعون.
Allah sets forth the parable of the people of a town who were secure and content and whose sustenance came in abundance from every quarter. But then the people of the town showed ingratitude towards Allah for His bounties. So Allah afflicted them with hunger and fear in punishment for their evil deeds.
وَلَقَدْ جَاءَهُمْ رَسُولٌ مِّنْهُمْ فَكَذَّبُوهُ فَأَخَذَهُمُ الْعَذَابُ وَهُمْ ظَالِمُونَ.
Most certainly, a messenger came to them from among them, but they rejected him, calling him a liar. Therefore chastisement seized them while they engaged in wrongdoing.
فَكُلُوا مِمَّا رَزَقَكُمُ اللَّهُ حَلَالًا طَيِّبًا وَاشْكُرُوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ إِن كُنتُمْ إِيَّاهُ تَعْبُدُونَ.
So eat out of the lawful and good sustenance that Allah has bestowed upon you, and thank Allah for His bounty, if it is Him that you serve.
إنما حرم عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير وما أهل لغير الله به فمن اضطر غير باغ ولا عاد فإن الله غفور رحيم.
Allah has forbidden you only carrion and blood and the flesh of swine, also any animal over which the name of any other than Allah has been pronounced. But whoever eats of them under compelling necessity, neither desiring it nor exceeding the limit of absolute necessity, surely for such action Allah is much forgiving, most merciful.
ولا تقولوا لما تصف ألسنتكم الكذب هذا حلال وهذا حرام لتفتروا على الله الكذب إن الذين يفترون على الله الكذب لا يفلحون.
And do not utter falsehoods by letting your tongues declare, this is lawful and that is unlawful, thus fabricating lies against Allah. Surely those who fabricate lies against Allah will never prosper.
متاع قليل ولهم عذاب أليم.
Brief belief is their enjoyment of the world, and thereafter they shall suffer a painful chastisement.
وعلى الذين هادوا حرمنا ما قصصنا عليك من قبل وما ظلمناهم ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون.
We have already recounted to you what we prohibited to the Jews. In so doing, we did not wrong them. It is they who wronged themselves.
ثم إن ربك للذين عملوا السوء بجهالة ثم تابوا من بعد ذلك وأصلحوا إن ربك من بعدها لغفور رحيم.
But to those who commit evil out of ignorance and then repent and amend their ways, thereafter your Lord will be much forgiving, most merciful.
إن إبراهيم كان أمة قانتا لله حنيفا ولم يك من المشركين.
Indeed, Abraham was a whole community by himself, obedient to Allah, exclusively devoted to Him, and he was never one of those who associated others with Allah in His divinity.
شاكرا لأنعمه اجتباه وهداه إلى صراط مستقيم.
He rendered thanks to Allah for His bounties, so that Allah chose him for His favors and directed him to the right way.
وآتيناه في الدنيا حسنة وإنه في الآخرة لمن الصالحين.
We bestowed good upon him in this world, and in the hereafter he shall certainly be among the righteous.
ثم أوحينا إليك أن اتبع ملة إبراهيم حنيفا وما كان من المشركين.
Then we revealed to you, follow the way of Abraham with exclusive devotion to Allah. He was not one of those who associated others with Allah in His divinity.
إنما جعل السبت على الذين اختلفوا فيه وإن ربك ليحكم بينهم يوم القيامة فيما كانوا فيه يختلفون.
As for the Sabbath, it was made incumbent only on those who differed about its laws. Certainly, your Lord will judge on the day of resurrection between them regarding the matters they disputed.
ادع إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين.
O Prophet, call to the way of your Lord with wisdom and goodly exhortation, and reason with them in the best manner possible. Surely your Lord knows best who has strayed away from His path, and He also knows well those who are guided to the right way.
وإن عاقبتم فعاقبوا بمثل ما عوقبتم به ولئن صبرتم لهو خير للصابرين.
If you take retribution, then do so in proportion to the wrong done to you. But if you can bear such conduct with patience, indeed, that is best for the steadfast.
واصبر وما صبرك إلا بالله ولا تحزن عليهم ولا تك في ضيق ما يمكرون.
And bear with patience, O Muhammad, and your patience is only because of the help of Allah. And do not grieve over them, nor feel distressed by their evil plans.
إن الله مع الذين اتقوا والذين هم محسنون.
For surely Allah is with those who hold Him in fear and do good.